Hey guys, welcome back to another chop video, and this week we'll be making French toast. So first off, we're gonna get 2 large eggs and crack them in a bowl. We're gonna whisk the eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1/3 cup of milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. Quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. Just add a pinch of salt. And mix it all together. And there we have it. So we're going to pour the mixture into a smaller container. Okay guys, I'm going to get a non-stick pan, turn the burn on a little bit above medium, let it heat up, add some cooking oil to the pan to grease it. Alright, so I'm gonna get a slice of bread, give the mixture a quick stir. And we're gonna dip it. Shake off the excess mixture. We're gonna put it in a pan. Alright, so after like 2 minutes, when the first side is golden brown, just give it a flip. There you have it guys, French toast.